Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our BoxyLuxe for December 2020. This is a upgrade to the regular BoxyCharm box. So the regular BoxyCharm box is $25 a month. You could upgrade to this box and get it every 3 months, and you'll pay an additional $24.99 to your regular fee. So it ends up being $49.99 every third month for this. The normal BoxyCharm comes with 5 full-size products, and I want to say this has 9, maybe 10. I can't quite remember how much of what is in here, but it should be more than 5, that I know for sure. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if I don't know something is cruelty-free right off the top of my head when I'm filming, I will do all the research and put that on the screen right here for you as I'm going through each product, as well as the value of everything, and then we'll add it all up at the end and see if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. I did not bring anything to open this. I'll use my handy-dandy tweezers, which seems to do the job. Josie is on one today, huh? Okay, we're gonna start. I'm gonna open it now. Okay. Oh, Josie's inspecting. Everything look good? You approve? Everybody feel good about this? This is not a bark box. I don't know why there's 3 dogs around me. Not a bark box. This is makeup. You're already beautiful. You don't need this. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. This little card right here on the top is going to have everything we're getting as well as the value of the item. I will be referring to this quite a bit. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull up the first thing I'm seeing right on top, which is actually not makeup. These are earrings from ZAXIE by Stephanie Taylor. They're in plastic. Let me go ahead and take them out so you can see. Okay, so it says cushion cut cubic zirconia halo stud earrings. I'm curious what the metal is. It's not telling me. I have sensitive ears and I really only wear like sterling or gold in them. Even nickel free like irritates my ears. And it's not telling me anything about the metal in it. They are really cute. Like I really do like them. Let me show you this neat little detail that's on in the back. Hold on. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but on the back side there, it's like almost like lattice work. I'm not sure if this is picking up on camera. I can't quite tell in the viewfinder, but really pretty. I prefer stud earrings or, you know, smaller earrings to like dangly earrings in general. Let me see if the card tells me anything about the metal. Okay, yeah, so it's not saying anything. I may try them in my ear to see how they feel on them. They are valued at $36, which to me, that's like sterling prices, not costume prices. So I don't know. I will do more research into these and see how they feel on my ears, but they are really cute. Okay, let's just pull out. Something lost its lid. Here's the lid. Okay, so here's what it goes to. This is Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. I assume it's a leave-in conditioner. There's the packaging. Sorry, the sunlight is glaring just a little bit. The packaging itself is not saying anything about being cruelty-free or anything like that, so I will look into that. But it's saying it's gold-infused shield protection. Oh, okay. This is claiming a lot of things on here. I mean, the list on the back of this is like real long, but I'll go through it. So gold-infused shield protection, so I assume that's a heat protectant. It is infused with very unnecessary things like champagne, crushed diamonds, rose of Jericho, black truffle oil. Okay, some of the stuff I'm not sure. Why do I need champagne in my hairspray? Okay, also supercharged detangler, delivers super shine, instant silkiness and smoothness. Style refresher, freedom from frizz, helps tame unruly hair, helps block humidity, increases manageability and elasticity, helps prevent split ends. Style primer, multi-textural in all hair types, unisex, safe on color, treated hair, use every day. Okay, I It doesn't need to be all those things. Tell me if I'm wrong. Do we need all those things in one thing? Let me know. This doesn't appeal to me personally. Like, it just seems gimmicky. Like, do I need diamonds in my hairspray? Anyways, let's get a value. I'm sure it's going to be like $100 because of all that crap they just named off. Let's see. Oh, only $22. Sorry. Sort of jumped the gun on there. So you're telling me that has diamonds in it and it's $22? I don't know. Seems a little fishy. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. This is some sort of skincare, I believe. Oh, okay. So this is from Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. There's the packaging. Sunday Riley is cruelty-free, and I have tried this particular product before, but I've never had a full size of it. I've always had like a little tiny thing that I can't tell you whether it does anything because it's literally so small. So I'm excited to get a full size of it. Let me tell you what it does. So it says it deeply exfoliates the dull surface of skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of... What? Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. It just sounds worded wrong. Like, anyways, moving on. Instantly plumps the look of lines and wrinkles within 3 minutes. Okay, so I definitely will use this. I like Sunday Riley. I have a couple of their face products I've talked about before in other videos. So yeah, I'm excited to get a full-size one to see what the deal is. Okay, and the value on that is $85, which Sunday Riley is a very expensive skincare brand. Some of it's worth it, some of it's not, to be honest. So we will find out if the Good Genes is worth it. Okay, let's move right along. There's something I have here. A red envelope. I think it's brushes because I see the word LUXIE on the outside. Okay. So it's like microfiber is what the material feels like, if I had to guess. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, so there are 8 brushes in here. They're gold. A couple brushes like I don't need. I have so many brushes in general, and a lot of them are from LUXIE, but there's some brushes in here that I may want to use, like this one. I'm not going to touch any of them just to see. I'm going to sit on it because I have tons of brushes and I literally use like the same 8 brushes. But there is an angled brush in here, and I do love a good angled brush, so I will think about this, but let me show you again what the brushes look like just to be safe. I do like the little queso. Like, this would be great for traveling, but I have this one. And I got another box for travel. And I'm not going anywhere. I don't think any of us are going anywhere. Okay, let's get a value on the LUXIE brushes. So $85 for 8 brushes in a case, not worth it. It's like 10 bucks a brush. They may be worth it, but usually when you get a set like that, the brushes are a little bit discounted. I don't think that's worth it. I would maybe pay like 40 bucks for that, personally. Yes, they're good brushes, but you can get like e.l.f. brushes for $3, $1, and they're honestly just as good. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out this. Okay, so this is from Avant. This is the glycolic mica arginine urea shea butter. Sorry, there's a lot of difficult words on there. So this is an intensive redensifying glycolic acid day moisturizer. They are cruelty-free, so that's good. I assume this is for your face? Okay, so apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. So yes, just a face moisturizer. I'm not going to open it just because I have quite a few face moisturizers that I'm trying to get through right now, including a Sunday Riley, a couple Sunday Riley ones, honestly. So I'll think about it. I might just pass this along to somebody. I have tons of skincare right now, and I only have one face, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and pass that on to somebody else, so I'm not even going to open it. And it's valued at $123, which, no, I'm sorry. This doesn't even look full size. Is this full size? That's a ripoff. I don't care what's in here. Sorry. It's really annoyed. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This next thing is called Threesome. It says, get in a hot mess with Rockin's Black Blue and green glitter gel eye pens. This looks like super cheap. I don't even know what Rockin's Cosmetics is. There's the packaging. I don't know anything about them. It's not saying anything about being cruelty-free or anything like that. Oh, never mind. It does say against animal testing, so that's good. I already feel like I am not going to be a fan of this. Oh. Why is it so big? I thought it was going to be like little eyeliners, but it's like a big fat crayon. This ain't my jam. Honestly, personally, I just know I'm never going to put that on my eye. I think it's to be like an eyeshadow, sort of like a shimmer eyeshadow, which is fine. But none of these colors are what I would like. This says blue, but it looks honestly purple to me. Green, not a big fan of. And black, I don't think I would ever wear like all over my eye. I don't know. Just something that I'm not into. I'm sure there are people who are into it. It's just not me. Let's get a value on those. $40 for 3. I don't think I would personally pay that. So, and I don't know. Tell me what you think of this. Is this something you would be interested in? This is an eyeshadow palette from HIPDOT. Never heard of it. It does say cruelty-free on the back. And the palette is called Cenote. So there it says like HIPDOT on the front. But then on the back right there it says Cenote. So I don't know if that's the name of the palette. Let me double check on the card right here. So yeah, it's called Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with. I hope it's not green. There's just some colors I don't like, and green's just not one of my favorite colors. Oh, it's blue. I mean, it's not all blue, but it's a lot of blues and some neutrals. I don't know if I would... Here's the thing. I have a blue eyeshadow palette, and I've used it maybe one time. I just am not that adventurous. Let me even see if I can find the... Oh yeah, so here it is. So this is the palette I have. It's from Tarte. And a lot of these colors, I should hold them up side by side because I think I have all these colors in this palette. So here's the Tarte palette. You can see there's a green. Right? Like all these colors are in here. So, and like I said, I've used this once and I've had it for almost a year and a half. So I'm just probably going to pass this on to somebody else or throw it into a giveaway. It is a pretty eyeshadow palette, but it's just, I don't know. I think it's because I have blue eyes that wearing blue eyeshadow just seems weird. Not weird. It's just like my whole eye's blue then. You know what I mean? I don't know. Like there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not something I typically do. And since I already have one blue eyeshadow palette, I don't really need another. So there's that. Let's get a value on that. So that's $30 for, how many shadows was that? Because right off the bat, that doesn't scream overpriced. It seemed like a pretty decent sized palette. 5, 10, 15. Yeah, I don't think that's too priced. So there's 15 shades in there and it's $30. I don't think that's too bad. I've never heard of the brand though. So if you've ever tried them, let me know your experience with them. I wish it was a palette I would probably use more, then maybe I would try it out, but not going to be using that. Okay, and I think we have one last item. It's wrapped in this styrofoam. Okay, so this is from Iconic London, which is cruelty-free, right? I'm pretty sure they are. This is, oh, cute. So this is like a blush and highlight palette. I don't really love the color of that blush. It seems a little bright for what I typically go for. But I do, this right here is also a blush. It's showing more brown on camera, but it pulls a little more blush colored, I guess, like actual color blush. So I like that one a lot. And this one looks like it would be really a good contour for me. So I'm curious to try that. I'm not going to swatch these or like, okay, I'll swatch a highlighter. And, ooh, that's not what I was expecting. And I'll go ahead and swatch the blush. So there's the blush, this is the highlighter. It's looked white, but it's kind of pulling yellow. So the blush, the blush is really pink, but it's not too bad. The highlighter is really nice. I definitely will use that. I need to wipe my hands. Hi, if you're also new here, I hate swatches. I like swatches, I just don't like keeping them on my skin. So yeah, I definitely think I will use this. I definitely will play around with it. I'm in search of a new bronzer, so I'm hoping that I like that one. I've been trying all the bronzers I already own, and nothing I found I've really loved completely yet. If you didn't know, Physicians Formula used to be cruelty free. Now they sell in China, so they're not. So I've been trying to find a replacement for it. The only bronzer I've really liked that I've been using is from Cover FX. It's from a face palette. I think I also got in a BoxyCharm. So that's my current contender, but I'm looking for the perfect one because none of them are it yet. Let's get a value on this. 55 bucks for 6 pans. A little bit overpriced. I'd maybe pay 30 bucks for this personally. So in this box, I got a total of 8 items, which I'm not sure is really worth. I mean, it's worth the price, but it's not. Where I paid $25 for 5 full-size products in a regular BoxyCharm, I'm getting 3 more for double the price. So to me, doesn't really add up. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is worth it? Should I keep getting the BoxyLuxe? I don't know. I'm kind of at the point where I have so much makeup that I don't even know if I should do any boxes anymore. Let me know. I mean, I do like BoxyCharm. It's probably my favorite box, but sometimes, I mean, as of lately, the brands have been, they're not like well-known brands. The only brand I've heard of in this box, okay, there's 3 brands I've heard of. LUXIE, which is brushes, the Sunday Riley skincare, and Iconic London. So 3 out of the 5 brands I've heard of, which it's nice to try new brands, but sometimes it comes off as a little cheap when it's a bunch of brands you've never heard of. If that makes sense to you, let me know. Okay, but anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more puppies, more makeup, more all that stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.